Texas, non-compete agreements in 2025, key insights. Non-compete agreements sound straightforward, but are they truly fair? In Texas, these agreements have sparked major shifts. Businesses and employees alike are on high alert as 2025 brings changes that reshape these legal tools. Stick around to uncover how they impact your career or company. Simply put, these contracts restrict employees from working with competitors after leaving a company. They're meant to protect businesses, but there's a catch. The agreement must meet Texas's strict limitations, so overreach, and it could spell trouble for employers. Understanding these rules is critical. In Texas, non-competes follow the Texas Covenants Not to Compete Act. It's not just about drafting a contract, it's about enforceability. For a non-compete to stick legally, it must link to a valid agreement and address legitimate business interests like preserving trade secrets or proprietary data. To hold up in court, non-competes need three things: reasonable geographic scope, logical time frames, and activity-focused restrictions. Agreements that overstep these boundaries, they're often dead on arrival. Courts strictly evaluate these factors, making precise drafting essential for businesses. Employers need to provide valuable consideration or benefits to employees signing non-competes. This could come in the form of exclusive training programs, access to insider company intelligence, or other meaningful perks. Without offering something of value, the agreement won't carry weight at all. Texas courts don't look kindly on agreements that overreach. Try to restrict someone too much, and your non-compete could be invalidated entirely. Worse yet, lawsuits over these issues could drain resources and damage reputations. Carefully balancing terms is the key to survival. The good news? Even if an agreement is ruled a bit too strict, courts may revise it to make it enforceable. This process is known as reformation, and it saves employers from completely losing out. Still, crafting a fair agreement up front prevents messy legal battles down the line. A looming question in 2025: will federal laws change the fate of non-competes across the board? While Texas currently holds the line with its own rules, potential bans or reforms could soon shift the entire landscape. Staying informed has never been more important. For organizations, non-competes provide a shield for their assets, but they're also a double-edged sword. Misuse or lack of updates could lead to legal challenges. Texas businesses must proactively review agreements, fine-tuning scopes and terms to meet current legal benchmarks. For employees, non-competes often feel restrictive, limiting future job opportunities. But staying informed can turn the tables. Texas laws ensure agreements must be fair, so understanding your rights allows you to negotiate better terms or challenge unreasonable restrictions with confidence. In recent years, legislative focus has shifted to promoting innovation and worker mobility. Economic realities demand flexibility, and policies around non-competes are adapting. Texas remains a state to watch in balancing business protections with employee freedoms. Navigating Texas non-compete laws isn't easy, but it's essential. Set yourself up for success by consulting legal experts, crafting fair agreements, and staying adaptable to regulatory updates. Whether you're an employer or employee, knowledge is your greatest asset in this evolving landscape. Want to secure your future? Take action now. Business owners should review agreements immediately. Employees, know your rights before signing anything. Share this video to spread awareness. Legal landscapes shift fast. Staying ahead will save you time, energy, and opportunity. Thanks for watching.
Ensure your contracts are airtight with the Spencer Law Firm. Whether you're drafting, reviewing, or disputing agreements, our expert legal team is here to protect your interests. Don't leave your business at risk. Contact the Spencer Law Firm today and secure your peace of mind.